Sports car lover Realme just launched a special edition phone for you, and this is Realme GT7 Dream Edition, which I think is called as Dream Edition because ये कई लोगों का सपना होगा कि एक एस्टन मार्टिन कार उनके पास भी हो, तो कार नहीं तो एटलीस्ट एस्टन मार्टिन डिजाइन के साथ आने वाला एक फोन ही ले सकते हैं। So in this video I am going to share my first impression on this Realme GT7 Dream Edition, इसीलिए don't skip any part and subscribe to Guys 360 for more such cool ड्रीम कम ट्रू टेक। आई एम योर होस्ट अर्षित अरोड़ा। चलिए टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते, सीधा शुरू करते हैं। The Realme GT7 Dream Edition comes in this cool box. Inside this box you get the booklet and उसी के टॉप पर you will see this Aston Martin logo. उसी के जस्ट नीचे you will find your phone. नीचे की तरफ ड्रॉअर ओपन करने पे यू विल फाइंड द 120 वॉट चार्जर, अ चार्जिंग केबल, अ बैक कवर एंड उसी के साथ में कुछ पेपर वर्क। बट इन पेपर्स के जस्ट नीचे यू विल फाइंड द कूलेस्ट सिम इजेक्टिंग टूल एवर। सो ओवरऑल यू विल गेट द Realme GT7 विद एस्टन मार्टिन लोगो एंड कलर थीम, नाइस केस जिस पर लोगो के लिए अलग से कटआउट दिया गया है, Realme ब्रांडिंग मिल जाती है, थीम से मैच होता हुआ चार्जर एंड केबल एंड वन मोर थिंग विच आई लाइक द मोस्ट, which is this SIM ejecting tool. I don't know क्यों पर मुझे काफी पसंद आया। लेकिन now coming back to our phone, the Realme GT7 Dream Edition first look में काफी शानदार लगता है। You get this Aston Martin logo with Formula 1 team written on this and नीचे की तरफ आपको यहाँ Realme branding मिल जाती है। The camera module is a little bumpy and it has a triple rear camera with a flashlight. The whole bump and camera cutout has this golden ring around it which gives it an attractive look. These flowing, shiny lines perfectly merge with the 3D back tactile design and it seems like wings. Right side में you get all the control buttons and the other side is completely clean. You get the 6.78 inch AMOLED display with 120 Hz of refresh rate and 6000 nits peak brightness, and you get HDR10 plus support also. With the Realme GT7 Dream Edition you get the Aston Martin theme which looks good, but मुझे लगता है कि daylight में ज़्यादा visible नहीं होने वाला है। The bezels are very thin and you get a bigger display to enjoy your content. The phone feels ergonomic to hold and use and इस पर ज़्यादा fingerprint या smudges भी नहीं आते। If you want then you can use the case which comes with the carbon fiber finish. Moving on, now let's talk about the performance. Realme GT7 Dream Edition does not compromise on performance part. You get the same Dimensity 9400E processor which is coming with the Realme GT7 also. This device comes with 16GB RAM and 512GB internal storage option. While opening the apps or switching, the device do not lag. You can easily play games like BGMI, Call of Duty on this device, and on my initial testing, the device does not heat up and I can play heavy games also smoothly. The Realme GT7 Dream Edition comes with a triple rear camera setup. It consists of a Sony IMX 906 50MP primary lens and a 50MP telephoto lens and 8MP ultra wide lens. And on the front side you will see a 32MP selfie shooter. और जितना मैं इसको अभी टेस्ट कर पाया हूँ उसके हिसाब से I can say that you can click good picture in daylight both in portrait and normal mode. The ultra wide pictures are clear and sharp with fine dynamic range. Talking of selfie, it can capture good, clear and sharp picture with the selfie camera also. And even the selfie portraits are coming out with good edge detection. You get many AI features in the camera also like AI eraser, AI ultra clear, unblur, remove reflection, AI glare remover and AI landscape. The Realme GT7 Dream Edition comes with a massive battery capacity. You will get a 7000 mAh battery with a 120 watt fast charger. The battery is big and I think you can use it for almost 1.5 days on a single charge. The 120 watt fast charger could charge it back in less than an hour. When you charge the phone, you get this cool charging animation also, जो मुझे काफी पसंद आया. By the way, you get the bypass charging feature, which is an add-on because usually the GT buyers are gamers and phone charging पर लगाकर भी game खेलने पर it won't hurt the phone's battery. So in my first impression, I think the Realme GT7 Dream Edition is really an attractive fanboy वाला edition. अब इस बात को अच्छे से वो लोग समझ सकते हैं जो कभी किसी ना किसी चीज के fanboy रहे हो. But coming back to the point, the Realme GT7 Dream Edition is looking awesome. This phone gives you an expensive premium feel if you look at it from a distance. And कहीं ना कहीं when I look at this phone, the main center of attraction is this Aston Martin logo. And I don't think you need to use the case with this phone. The display is good, performance is fine in my testing, and the camera is doing well so far. So do you like the Realme GT7 Dream Edition या कहें Aston Martin Edition? Do let me know in the comment section. And आपके हिसाब से किस फोन का स्पेशल एडिशन कोलैबोरेशन आप किस ब्रांड के साथ देखना चाहेंगे वो भी मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बता दीजिएगा. Subscribe to Garage 360 for more such cool tech. I'm your host Harshit Arora signing off, but I'll see you in the next one.